What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering two new job leads. These are going to be no call job leads where you don't need to make any phone calls. You get to work from home, and these jobs are data entry or data entry related jobs where you'll be using Excel or Word or some other word processing software, but you won't necessarily be on the phone. So if you're looking for a data entry remote work from home job or something that's very similar, then you'll definitely be interested in the job leads for today. Now, before I dive into the job leads for today, by the way, which are fully remote and also can pay you upwards of $30 per hour. In fact, one of these jobs is paying over $80,000 per year. Just want to remind you guys of my second channel, which is the work from home channel, this channel right here. So this is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I can find on the internet. And these cover part-time jobs, full-time jobs, overnight jobs, jobs with flexible schedules. So if you're looking primarily, or you came here primarily looking for a remote work from home job or some other method of making money online, you definitely want to go over to the work from home channel and subscribe to this channel. And when you do subscribe here, be sure to tap the notification bell. That way you never miss out on when I post a new video or a new job lead. If you look at some of my previous videos here, you'll see, for example, high paying data entry job earning $6,100 per month, typing only. So from time to time, I find these really high paying data entry jobs and other types of jobs as well. So you definitely want to be subscribed to this channel. And soon enough, I'll be moving all the work from home or make money online content to this channel, the work from home channel. And this main channel that you're watching right now, I'll be repurposing for a different type of content. So with all that covered, let's now dive into today's job lead. So first job lead is going to be coming out of this company, ShareCare, and they're in the healthcare industry. And currently they have an opening for a credit and collection specialist. Now this is a remote position and it lists these cities right here. However, even though it does list those cities, here it says this is a remote position and can be located anywhere within the United States. So you can work from just about anywhere. You don't need to be in these cities. Now this was posted about 18 days ago. However, the job listing is still up, which means that you're still invited to apply. So you can still put your application in here. Now in this role, it says here, the credit and collection specialist will undertake a variety of financial and also non-financial tasks in order to help guarantee the company's revenues. You'll handle collection and resolution of account balances of an assigned portfolio. If we look at some of the job functions here, this is what you'll be doing. So identify, research, and resolve collection issues in a timely manner, provide assistance with unidentified payment applications, meet company deadlines for month-end close responsibilities, collect, manage, and provide resolution of outstanding invoices, provide resolution of issues related to billing inquiries and also disputes, and assist with updating and improving documentation of policies and also procedures related to assigned responsibilities. Now, as for qualifications here, you need a minimum of 2 years of accounts receivable and or collections experience. You need a high school diploma. If you do have an associate degree, then that would be preferred. Also, experience in handling escalated research situations. And other skills that you'll need here, intermediate knowledge of Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, excellent verbal and written communication skills, ability to function in a collaborative, team-oriented environment, ability to work efficiently with all levels of management. And the only con to this job listing is that there was no salary listed or any mention of what the benefits would be for this job. However, I was able to find this company on Glassdoor, and on Glassdoor they have over 800 reviews, so you can read up on what other people had to say about working here. And they had over 1,300 reported salaries. Now, I wasn't able to find a salary for this particular position, so you could look at some other salaries for other positions that are similar or have similar responsibilities to this one, and then that could give you an idea of what they're paying. However, a simple Google search returned this. So based on ZipRecruiter, a credit and collection specialist at ShareCare working remotely makes anywhere from $22 to $30 per hour. So I think that's the range, and that's what you can look out to make at this company. So if you are interested, the link is down below. Be sure to go ahead and get your application in before the listing is pulled. And you can actually do that right now. You can just open up a new tab while you're watching or listening to this video and start your application. Now, with that said, I just want to remind you guys of this resource right here. If you do need it, here is the Pro Resume Templates Kit. Professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which just simply means that your resume won't be discarded, won't be filtered out, actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want, and this will definitely land you more interviews and land you more job offers. So here you're getting 3 resume templates. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions, also matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, matching reference pages and matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You can customize these using Google Docs, which is free, and there is a screen recording included here showing you exactly how to do everything. So if you do need this resource, link is down below. But let's move into the other job lead. So the other job lead is coming out of this company. It's Media Source, and they're currently hiring for a IT specialist. The only downside is that this is a contract, and this is going to be a 6-month contract, but the salary here is $80,000 per year plus benefits. So depending on how long you actually work here, that's going to determine how much money you make, but you can base that off the salary of $80,000 per year. So for the IT specialist position here, they're looking to add a team member to their internal IT support team, supporting over 100 employees with this company. So responsibilities here: laptop lease management and associated invoice review and approval, also laptop vendor management, internal software and application access administration and license administration, hardware and software inventory management, manage request and approval for new hardware and software, budget management responsibility for all internal IT components, provide internal IT oversight and provide input on direction and strategy, provision and administer the SharePoint account. And requirements here: 3+ years of relevant IT support experience, high school diploma is required, a bachelor's degree would be preferred, and also strong communication skills. Now for this job, it is fully remote, and they do offer some benefits here in addition to that salary of $80,000 per year. So you get medical, dental, vision, you get a health savings account, you also get a 401k plan with company match, and some other benefits as well. And again, this is a completely remote position. So if you want to apply to this one, link is down below as well. But these were the 2 job leads for today. So the IT specialist 6-month contract position or contract to hire position here at Media Source, which is fully remote, and also the credit and collection specialist position here at ShareCare, where you can make up to $30 per hour, and you also get benefits as well. So if you are interested in any of these positions, links all down below in the description. Be sure to go over to the second channel, the work from home channel, because I just posted a brand new work from home video there, which is actually open to applicants that are international. So if you're not in North America or the United States, then you can find worldwide remote work from home jobs over there. So be sure to check that out. But with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. I hope you guys find that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for, that pays you a ton and gives you all the flexibility that you need. But I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.